Today, I have got a super simple freezer/pantry meal for you. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Pamela and I like to share deliciously easy plant-based recipes. So if those are the types of videos you like to watch, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Today, I have got a super quick and easy pantry/freezer meal that you can whip up. If you are short on time, you don't have anything else in your house, you don't have anything planned. This isn't really a recipe video so much as it is I'm just going to take you along with me while I cook a meal. I make sure that I keep my freezer and my pantry and a couple of items in my fridge stocked at all times. That way, if I'm short on time or I don't really have anything planned or something's gone bad in my fridge, that I always have something on hand to make so that I'm not caught off guard. I can always make a bright line eating friendly meal. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I made this day. All right, so I buy these Asian medley, they're the Steam Fresh, by like the 10 pack. And then I've got these edamame that are already shelled in my freezer pretty much at all times. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these started in the microwave. And then while those are cooking, I'm going to start on the sauce. So it's just a simple tahini sauce. Tahini is just ground sesame seeds. And I'm gonna go ahead and measure out my fat portion according to the Bright Line Eating measurements according to their weight loss plan. So if you don't know what that is, there are links down in the description box down below, so you can check that out. And then I'm going to add some soy sauce. Now, there isn't really a recipe for this. This is just all to taste. And then up next is some rice vinegar to give it just kind of a tangy taste. And then I'm going to add some of this chili garlic sauce. I love this stuff. I use it instead of sriracha because sriracha has sugar in it as like the second ingredient. And then some ginger powder. You can also use fresh ginger, but I just kind of wanted to make this as accessible as possible. And then some garlic powder. And again, you can use fresh garlic if you've got it, but I just wanted to make this as accessible as possible. So most people do have garlic and ginger powder in their spice cabinet, but may not always have fresh garlic and ginger on hand. But if you do, you can just use a microplane and kind of grate that into this dressing. So I'm just going to give it a quick stir. And then this is really thick. The tahini paste I use isn't as thick as most other tahini pastes, but it is still gonna thicken up because of all the spices. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of warm water to thin it out. And then I am going to taste it to make sure that it tastes how I want it to, and then adjust the seasoning as necessary. So a little bit more vinegar and a little bit more soy sauce because I like things salty. And then I'm going to actually, I ended up doubling the amount of garlic and ginger and the garlic chili sauce. So I pretty much doubled like everything that I put in there. One thing about tahini paste is that it pretty much sucks up flavor really quickly. So you kind of have to double everything that you put into it. And this tahini paste I actually get on Amazon. It is my favorite. You don't have to keep stirring it to reincorporate the oil. So I'll put a link to that in the description box down below. It is really good stuff, and you keep it in the pantry, not in your fridge. And even with that, you don't have to keep stirring to reincorporate the oil. It's really good stuff. So my sauce is done, and by now everything is done and out of the microwave. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate everything again according to the BLE, a Bright Line Eating weight loss plan. So I've got my scale there. I'm getting ready to measure everything out. And I don't remember if this was a dinner or a lunch, so I can't recall if it was 12 or 14 ounces of veggies. But I do have to use a heating a little hot pad because it's very hot. But these are seriously my favorite steamable veggies. They are pre-seasoned, which is probably why they're so delicious. And then with the sauce on top, they're even more seasoned, so they're so good. But I just, pretty much one bag is like, it can range anywhere from like 8 ounces to 9.5. I don't think I've ever seen it cooked any more than like 9.5 ounces. So I usually have to use at least a bag and a half for one of my meals. So I'm going to go ahead and put this entire bag on there, and then also put a portion of the second bag on there. I'm just trying to get all the little bits out of the corners there. Yeah, so that one ended up being about, looks like about 9.5 or so. And then here is the second bag. And this is one of my favorite easy, quick meals when I just want a really quick, hot meal and I don't want to have to think about it. I can just pull these out of my freezer, pop it in the microwave. I don't have to think about it. This is a meal that I make if I don't have to cook for my family, if it's just me, or if I do have to cook for my family, I can put a couple of these bags in my pan and heat them up. And then, my family can eat this with me. And it's still a nice quick meal. But this is just a super easy meal. You don't really have to know how to cook. You can just heat and eat. And then the edamame beans are already shelled. So you just measure out however many ounces that you need. And then pour your sauce on top and you're good to go. I mean, it is that simple of a meal. There's really no thought to this meal whatsoever. So there's no brain power involved. That's probably one of the best quote unquote recipes that there could possibly be. I think, I was gonna say, I think I recall getting like just the right amount of soybeans in there. So, and then I'm gonna put the sauce on top. And that is it. Now this is pretty for my picture so that I could do the thumbnail for this video. But then of course, right before I eat it, I stir everything together to get the sauce all over absolutely everything. And so it does not stay pretty like this as I eat it. So I mix everything up just before I eat it. So there you have it. This is my quick, no think meal for Bright Line Eating. All right, if you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and click one of these right here to see more.